The Scottish port town is alive with the sounds of labor. Young James Watt watches the steam rise. The air vibrates with the clang of shipbuilders and blacksmiths. He is frail, yet his gaze is intense, capturing every detail of the harbor's industry. Amidst the scent of sawdust and the clutter of carpentry tools, young James tinkers with curious eyes. He watches the dance of pulleys and gears, his gaze drawn to a boiling kettle. The kettle lid clatters rhythmically as steam bursts forth. There is power here. In the classroom, young James Watt struggles with his studies. His frail health keeps him away from school. His mind wanders to machines and mechanisms. Watt masters the craft of mathematical instrument making, completing a 7-year apprenticeship in a single year. In the University of Glasgow workshop, Watt's deft hands meticulously craft scientific instruments. His skill earns him the respect of the era's leading scientists. Joseph Black gestures emphatically, his voice filling the lecture hall, captivating his audience. Watt listens intently, his brow furrowed in concentration, absorbing every word. The concept of latent heat ignites a spark of understanding in Watt's eyes, hinting at his future. Watt stands amidst the chaos of his workshop, a sanctuary of tools and dreams yet realized. A university professor approaches, breaking the silence with a gesture towards a relic of innovation. The dusty, disassembled Newcomen steam engine sits silently, a monument to an era of ingenuity. Watt observes the Newcomen engine, his expression thoughtful. He identifies the engine's fundamental flaw. Watt walks, his brow furrowed, lost in thought. His eyes widen as a spark of understanding lights his face. The idea of a separate condenser strikes him with the force of revelation. Watt stands absorbed in his work, piecing together a small prototype. He adds a secondary vessel, a key component for steam condensation. Watt stands proudly beside his improved steam engine, ready to demonstrate its efficiency. The engine hisses and whirs, showcasing its dramatically reduced fuel consumption. Watt finds a crucial ally in John Roebuck, securing the funds needed to protect his invention. Watt wrestles with the unyielding metal, each cylinder a testament to imperfection. The poor quality iron mocks his ambition, each flaw a fresh obstacle. Sealing problems plague his every attempt, threatening to undo his progress. William Murdoch stands absorbed in his creation, brow furrowed in concentration. He tinkers meticulously, bringing the device to life. Watt stands in his workshop, his brow furrowed in concentration as he tinkers meticulously. He puts the finishing touches on the device, a testament to brass and ingenuity. The device automatically adjusts steam flow, maintaining a consistent engine speed. Across Britain, factories hum with newfound power as Watt's steam engines drive textile mills, flour mills, and iron foundries. The landscape transforms with the relentless rhythm of the Industrial Revolution. Iron foundries roar with activity, molten metal flowing under the watchful eyes of workers. The Bolton Watt factory hums with activity, a testament to their flourishing partnership. Bolton leads legal battles against infringers of Watt's patents. Bolton stands tall, his voice commanding the attention of Parliament. He pleads with the Assembly. I implore you to consider the immense value of Watt's inventions and extend his patent rights. Watt sits alone in the dim light, grief etched deeply on his face. The heavy silence of mourning fills the room, a testament to his profound loss. Watt, now in retirement, is completely absorbed in his latest invention. He is building a machine designed to replicate sculptures. His hands move with practiced ease. Visitors arrive to meet the renowned engineer, but Watt seeks the solace of quiet discourse. The room is filled with the quiet murmur of conversation. Flickering candlelight dances across the faces of the Lunar Society, casting long shadows in the warmly lit room. Watt, brow furrowed, engages Erasmus Darwin in animated conversation, his gestures filled with intensity. Nearby, Josiah Wedgwood stands, a pipe clenched in his hand, nodding thoughtfully as he listens. Watt lies in bed, his face pale, a picture of frailty. A weak cough escapes Watt's lips, a sign of his weakening strength. A somber day dawns as mourners gather outside St. Mary's Church. The world mourns Watt's passing. Factories hum with activity, their machines churning relentlessly. Steam trains thunder down the tracks, their power echoing across the land. Steamships churn through the water, their wakes stretching behind them. Greenock Harbor stands under the open sky, a modern tableau where echoes of the past still resonate. The harbor reflects the day's light, mirroring both the sky above and the memories embedded in the stones below. Watt's artifacts are displayed, highlighting his legacy. In a packed university lecture hall, A professor delves into Watt's groundbreaking contributions. Students fill the hall, their attention captured by the lecture. Statues of Watt stand tall in Glasgow, Birmingham, and Westminster Abbey. Watt's name stands out in engineering textbooks, a lasting legacy. Steam engines power factories, mills, and railways across Britain. A modern ship sails, embodying the enduring legacy of Watt's innovations. Greenock Harbor glows, a testament to Watt's legacy in lighting. The drawing of Watt's steam engine reveals intricate details. The sounds of clanking metal and hissing steam fill the air. Watt, with unwavering focus, meticulously examines a component of his steam engine. Greenock transforms, revealing its evolution from a quiet port to a vibrant modern city. In his father's workshop, young James Watt observes, foreshadowing his future. Sunlight floods the University of Glasgow, illuminating the air as Watt and Dr. Black engage in intense debate over blueprints. Professor Anderson observes from across the room, his expression thoughtful as he absorbs their discussion. Watt pauses, brow furrowed in concentration, and a spark of inspiration lights up his eyes. He strides purposefully toward a complex machine, pointing out a potential flaw to the apprentice. The apprentice listens intently, scribbling notes in his notebook, absorbing every detail. Inside the Bolton Watt factory, a symphony of steam and motion fills the air. Engines hiss and clank, driving a multitude of machines. Workers move with purpose, their faces illuminated by the warm glow of gas lamps. The air is thick with the smell of coal smoke and machine oil. Sunlight floods Watt's cluttered workshop, illuminating the dance of dust motes in the air. Amidst the chaos of half-finished inventions and everyday objects, a loaf of bread sits beside gears and springs. The air hangs heavy with the scent of coal and metal, a testament to Watt's relentless pursuit. An open, worn notebook reveals meticulous sketches and calculations, the heart of Watt's world. Bathed in sunlight, Watt is surrounded by books and inventions, his brow furrowed in concentration. Sunlight illuminates dust motes dancing in the air as he pores over blueprints with a magnifying glass. The room hums with the quiet energy of intellectual curiosity. The steam rises from the modern ship, a visual metaphor for Watt's enduring legacy. Watt's tools rest silently, symbols of ingenuity and craftsmanship. A drawing of the separate condenser lies on the table, a pivotal invention. Shadows fill Watt's workshop, embodying the looming challenges of invention. The night sky looms over Greenock, a canvas reflecting Watt's enduring legacy. Watt stands by the window, lost in thought. He gazes out, contemplating his life's work. A modern ship sails into the distance, a symbol of Watt's enduring legacy.